Do you find yourself struggling with a loss of smell or taste? It can be quite a bother, can't it? Today we'll explore 5 home remedies to help. Essential oils, castor oil nasal drops, raw ginger tea, saline irrigation, and ground coffee. Remember, these are home remedies and not a substitute for medical advice. Firstly, we have smell training with essential oils. Choose 4 different essential oils and take a moment to sniff each one for about 20 seconds twice a day. This method can help stimulate the olfactory nerves in your nose. Next up, we have castor oil nasal drops. Warm a small dollop of this oil, lie down comfortably, and introduce a few drops into each nostril. The gentle warmth of the oil can soothe the nasal passages, potentially enhancing your olfactory prowess. This can help soothe the nasal passages and improve your sense of smell. Our third remedy is raw ginger tea. Start by boiling water, then add freshly sliced ginger. Let it steep for a few minutes, allowing the natural goodness to infuse. Sip this warming tea daily. Ginger has been known to help improve taste and smell. Fourth on our list is saline irrigation. This involves creating a saline solution with warm water and salt, then using a device like a neti pot to gently rinse your nasal passages. Saline irrigation can help clear out any blockages that may be impairing your senses. Finally, we have smell training with ground coffee. This is as simple as it sounds. Simply take a few deep whiffs of ground coffee every day. The rich, strong aroma of coffee can stimulate and rejuvenate your sense of smell. And there you have it, 5 home remedies to help with loss of smell and taste. We've explored smell training with essential oils, castor oil nasal drops, raw ginger tea, saline irrigation, and even ground coffee for smell training. Remember, these are just suggestions and are not a substitute for professional medical advice. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Home Remedies for Life for more helpful tips and tricks.